In this chapter, let us learn about NumPy splitting array. Splitting NumPy arrays. Splitting is reverse operation of joining. Joining merges multiple arrays into one and splitting breaks one array into multiple. We use array_split method for splitting arrays. We pass it the array we want to split and the number of splits. See the example, split the array in 3 parts. See if we use np.array_split method, the result is it split it 3 times. The return value is an array containing 3 arrays. If the array has less elements than required, it will adjust from the end accordingly. Split the arrays in 4 parts. See, now we are splitting 4 parts, array 1, 1, 2, array 3, 4, array 5, array 6. We also have the method split available but will not adjust the elements when elements are less in source. Array for splitting like in example above. Array_split method worked properly but split would fail. Split into array. The return of value of the array_split method is an array containing each of the split as an array. If you split an array into 3 arrays, you can access them from the result just like any array element. See the example, access the splitted arrays by using np.arrays_split method. The result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Splitting 2D arrays. Use the same syntax when splitting 2D arrays. Use the array_split method, pass in the arrays you want to split and the number of splits you want to do. See, split the 2D arrays into 3 2D arrays. See here, when we execute this code by using np_array_split method, see they divide into 3 parts. The example above returns 3 2D arrays. Let's look at another example. This time each element in the 2D arrays containing 3 elements. Let us see that. See another example. Split the 2D arrays into 3 2D arrays. See, if you executing this code, the result returns this. The example above returns 3 2D arrays. In addition, you can specify which axis you want to do the split around. The example below also returns 2D arrows, but they are splitting around the rows axis is equal to 1. Let us see that. See the example, import NumPy as NP. See, now by using axis is equal to 1 here, the result returns this. See here, it's totally splitted here. An element solution is using hsplit method opposite of hstack method. Use the hsplit method to split the 2D arrays into 3 2D arrays along rows. See here, import NumPy by using np.hsplit arrays. See the result is like this. Similar alternates to vstack method and dstack method are available as vsplit method and dsplit method. Okay friends, this is the end of part 12 array split. In next video, let us learn about another topic, searching arrays. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.